Alright, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on start pulling that truck apart. Picked this up last week. It's a 2019 Chevy half ton, and well, I picked it up with the motor part pulled apart. I think they said they had a lifter tick, but apparently it washed out a cylinder. So they're saying the cylinders washed out. But anyways, I ordered a new long block for it, so I'm gonna pull the motor out and pick up the new motor tomorrow. And it's got about 180 or 170,000 K on it, I think. But so it's gravel rash, got a few dents, but besides that, it's not too bad. Here's the parts they took apart at the dealer, but the interior is actually in really good shape. Lots of gravel rash though. It had a wooden liner in the box, so the box is actually really good shape. Good mirror, but besides a little bit of wear and tear, it's not too bad. I'll probably I'm gonna repaint it and put a new motor in it. But I'm gonna start pulling it apart here then. Pull the front clip off. That's just the easiest way to get the motor out, since I'm gonna take it apart to paint it anyways. Just gonna start take all this front apart, pull the grill out, all the radiator and all this stuff, the headlights. I'm gonna pull the headlights out, just 3 10 mils. Bumper off too, because I think I'm gonna sandblast this and paint it. And just make it easier to work on too. List the radiators out, and then we should be to get all these hoses out of the way, and I'll unhook the back of the transmission there. And then I guess the torque converter bolts, I think. And then it should just come out of there. I think there's a few bolts on the bottom, but all you do is just do the 4 clips and then just these 4 7 mil bolts. And you'll see the green tab go down here. Then just 2 10 mils and get this cover out of the way. Alright, so I got the transmission apart here. Got it separate so it's pretty loose. It's all loose. I think I just have a few. I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't.
So I got the motor out of here. If you look in the cylinders here, you can see on the camera, but a couple of these cylinders are scored up pretty bad. You can feel them with your fingernail. So we're gonna go pick up the new motor tomorrow and swap everything over. I might actually just lift the cab up because it's really only like a couple more plugs and just undo these mounts and the cab lifts off. It just is so much easier to work on. And 'cause these ones are pretty tight because the motor's so far back in there.